So this is the Aximill 250 just starting to ramp up. Pretty good. You can smell the lemon myrtle coming through it, so it's a beautiful infusion of lemon. So we've combined the two materials together. Now that is just a lovely consistency. So we can create flowers with all sorts of infusion. We could put fresh onion in that. The lemon myrtle was fresh off the tree, so we had a wet material. This is one of the few grinders that'll grind wet material. We use rosemary, we use just any kind of additive we want to. We've even put ham and different things like that in, so we can make a huge variety of different types of flour. It's not normally possible, and we can use anything. We can use rice, we can use millet, we can mill all the flours, and we can mill it coarse or fine, and we can take it right down to about 30 micron if we want to. So now we've got rosemary and lemon myrtle, and this is on a slightly finer setting, and you can see here how beautiful that material is. That's a very, very fine material, very fine material. I'll just gather some more. Now that's a lovely consistency, and you can smell the aromatics. There's not too much aromatics coming off it, which is a good thing, because it means that we haven't heated the material. The material hasn't been heated above about 45 degrees, which is really important for making these aromatic foods, because you don't want to evaporate all of the aromatic flavour. You want it to remain in the material. So the powders you've just seen us make, which are really themed on Australian bush tucker, that's the powder we made, and that's the basis for a lot of other products. So in this case, these are actually extracts which are made on an alcohol basis, but this type of process can help to do the refining. And this is a range of organic products, the PPC range of herb infused oils, creams and shampoos. And here we have Sissy's chocolates. These are a beautiful chocolate. They're made from infusions of Australian bush tucker flavours. They're absolutely delicious chocolates. We can actually make the whole product. We can actually use the machine to conch the chocolate, and we can even use the cocoa shell from the chocolate, so that we can use every part of the cocoa. And if you include the cocoa shell, it actually makes a much healthier chocolate, because there's a lot of antioxidants and goodness in the shell. So there we have a range of the wild PPC herb concoctions. So there's shampoos and hand creams and hand washes. The basis of what we're showing here is how the Aximill is used as a primary stage of the production of these sorts of products. So the herbs would be made and put into the chocolates or into other cosmetics and other types of products that would use natural herbs and bush tucker.
Making life easier.